But you can buy your own steering wheels, Amazon, eBay. You could probably do this with a compass and hit edges and make circles and hillbilly ingenuity. I'll find 3 wrenches, common sized. How big do we make it?
That's what she said?
Harbor Freight, not typical, the upgraded spiral cut step bit.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me? I'm blind! Oh shit, I'm blind!
I bought a whole kit, return springs and everything. I bet you'll never guess where they come from.
Let's say China.
Yep, that place. Amazon or eBay, one of the two. 3/16 steel.